Cooking for one or two often feels like a losing battle against food waste and repetitive leftovers, but the trick is to shift your mindset from daily cooking to strategic planning. Instead of making a massive pot of chili you'll eat for a week, focus on preparing individual components that can be mixed and matched throughout your week. Start your prep by picking 2 or 3 versatile proteins, like grilled chicken, ground turkey, or tofu, and cook them in bulk without heavy sauces. The same goes for your grains and vegetables. A batch of quinoa, roasted broccoli, and sweet potatoes can be the foundation for entirely different meals depending on how you season them. Freezer meals are a solo diner's best friend, but portion control is key. Use single-serving silicone bags or small glass containers to freeze chili, soups, or curry in exactly the amount you need for one dinner. This prevents the dreaded block of frozen food you have to hammer apart later. For a quick and easy system, dedicate one day a week to your bulk cooking, but keep the recipes absurdly simple. Think sheet pan meals, toss chicken thighs, bell peppers, and red onion in olive oil and herbs, roast everything together, and you have pre-cooked protein and veggies ready for salads, wraps, or bowls. Don't forget about your breakfast and snacks. Overnight oats in individual jars, hard-boiled eggs, and pre-washed fruit make your mornings feel effortless. When you have healthy, grab-and-go options ready, you're far less likely to order takeout for a single lunch. Another game changer is learning to cook once and eat twice. If you roast a salmon fillet, eat half with a side of asparagus tonight, and flake the rest into a salmon salad for tomorrow's lunch. This principle works with almost any protein and keeps your menu feeling fresh without extra work. Remember that your spice cabinet is your greatest tool for variety. Roasted potatoes taste completely different tossed in za'atar versus smoked paprika versus garlic and rosemary. By just changing the seasoning, you can create the illusion of a completely new meal from the same prepped ingredients. Finally, invest in a few right-sized tools like a small casserole dish, a mini food processor, and a set of stackable storage containers designed for single portions. When your kitchen is set up for your actual household size, cooking becomes faster, cleanup is easier, and healthy eating truly becomes effortless.